Hey guys, Patrick here. It's Friday and yes, it's another live handover with Sigma Homes. Another project finished on schedule. It's cold, it's windy, but it's going to be really warm inside. Come on, let's take a look. This house is a traditional dormer bungalow. It's 2-story and I love its location. Only 5 minutes from Carrigtohill. Look at those gardens. Look at all that driveway. What a home for any young family. This house is about 1900 square feet with amazing potential. I love this design. It completely respects the original house. It's hard to believe all this work. We've transformed this home in 14 weeks. We've really changed this home. We've put in a new kitchen, a new dining, and a big patio adjoining to it. I can't wait to show you some of the fun stone details in that. We've also got a big lounge, somewhere the family can chill out, watch a movie. Upstairs, we've created a new home office and a bigger, better bedroom. Will we have a look? Come on. I love this new carpet. It's so cozy and it's so warm. This is going to work so well in that hallway and new office space. So this is where we completely knocked out this door. This door used to bring us into a bedroom. It was too small, it didn't work. Now we've made a twin home office with some really nice views. Behind us, we've got our 2nd-story extension, our perfect bedroom. This is the original door. When we did all the big demolition work here, the site team minded it, protected it. It flows so well. It matches all the original doors of the house. Will we take a look? Oh my God, look at all the space you've got here. It's hard to believe 14 weeks ago, birds would have been flying around. It was only air. Today, we've got 200 square feet of a bedroom, suitable for a double bed, that home office. This is perfect. And we're back downstairs again. I still haven't shown you that new kitchen, that extension dining connecting you to the outside, that fun lounge. But what about the new hall tiling and the utility room? Come on, let's take a look. Look at all the space we have here. I love that charcoal unit with that big working sink. Look at all the space you've got connecting you with that window to the outside. More deep storage here. What have we got? It's the Samson Eco Bubble. What a fun room. I can't wait to show you. This is the new kitchen, dining and lounge. Are you ready to see it? I know I am. Come on, let's take a look. This has turned out so well. It's hard to believe the original kitchen was here. We completely demolished it. We put it into the skip and we've built this dream kitchen. And Deborah, he keeps getting here before me, but we've got something new. What is it? Meeting the Corker, a double click. Get the tea bags ready. We're about to have a cuppa, and then one turn and it switches off. I love it. Before I show you the dining and that big sliding door connecting you to the outside, I've got to show you the lounge. I love the size of this room. It's big, but that stove makes it really, really cozy while still connecting you to that kitchen and dining. Can you remember that window? We completely knocked all this wall and we built on this extension. Look at all this natural light. This is a party atmosphere. This is the dining room to dream of. We built on this extension for this stunning dining room. I love all that natural light, but it's the connection here we have to the outside. It's the design of this patio. Come on, let's take a look. One step and you're connecting the inside and out. I love it. It becomes one room. You've got all that daylight sun here during the summer. You'll be spending all your time out here while still being connected to the inside. I love that big black aluclad slider. But look at that limestone paving. Look at the limestone capping. Oh my God, look at that stone, how it wraps around the building. It really gives it that finishing touch. Let's take a look at behind the scenes of the Sigma Homes design team. Once you come to that front door, you came straight into that kitchen. We had a kitchen, we had a lounge, but we had no dining. Remember that small window? We completely removed the window, the wall, and built this big extension on, creating that beautiful dining with all that natural light. I love it. This has turned out really well. Come on, let's take a look upstairs. Straight away you can see the bedroom was just too small. That's when Fergal and all the team came along and built a second story extension. They knocked a hole in the wall, they created a door, and yes, they created that double bedroom. What an amount of space we've got in here. This is gorgeous. Our clients are on the way. They're going to be here in the next 20 minutes. Can you imagine how they're feeling? I want to say a special thanks to Fergal, Kevin and all the team. This turned out really well, but most importantly to our clients for choosing Sigma Homes and trusting Sigma Homes. I can't wait to share our 10-year warranty with you.